This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing 2 or more phone numbers and updating Telegram so the multi-account feature is available. Once ready, open menu, choose Add Account, enter the number and complete SMS verification. This links a distinct account profile. Make sure each account uses a unique number to avoid conflicts, and name each profile so you can recognize it quickly. After verification, Telegram will keep both accounts signed in. Now you can switch between them in the same app without logging out. Once both accounts are added, learn to switch by tapping your avatar and selecting the desired profile. This is faster than signing out. Next, configure privacy, notifications, and chat folders independently so messages and alerts stay distinct. Use unique usernames and maintain separate contact lists or labels to prevent cross-account confusion. If you rely on cloud backup, confirm which account holds which chats. This avoids accidental restores across accounts. These settings keep each identity organized. Finish by linking devices for each account under Settings Devices so you can manage sessions and revoke access when necessary. Then organize chats with folders, pin chats, and archive to separate personal and work conversations. This streamlines daily use. If you run into problems like login failures or missing messages, re-verify the phone number, clear the app cache, and restart the app. If the issue persists, remove and re-add the account. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves sync or verification errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.